a beginner. So this is how we are going to share it. I'll be listing the website first, and then we'll be taking the jobs that you can do as a beginner one by one. You understand? So let's go. So the first website is called Remote for Africa. Remote for Africa is a search engine, is a job board. Remote for Africa is a job board that is for Africans. You understand? Whether you're from Nairobi, whether you're from Kenya, Ghana, Nigeria, anywhere you are in Africa, Remote for Africa is a job board that you can always come to and search for remote jobs that you can do and make up to like 100,000 naira in a month. And you can just scroll up here and search for any category that you fall under. This is admin, data analysis. Let's just list them first. Then the next one is called Flex Job. The next one is called Flex Job. This is how Flex Job looks like. Just be noting down the names of this website. Then the next one is called Indeed.com. Indeed.com. Then we have the last but not the least, which is the popular one, but you don't know that you can actually get a job on this particular one. This particular one is called LinkedIn.com. LinkedIn.com. You can download the app, or you can use the Chrome browser route. So we're starting from the first skill. Now, as a newbie on any platform that you want to search, the first skill we'll be looking at is a virtual assistant skill. Now, for a virtual assistant skill, as a newbie, you'll be earning nothing less than 100,000 naira upward. And anybody can be a virtual assistant as a beginner. So it is a job that is good for beginners. So as a virtual assistant, all you have to do is to schedule appointments, take reports, ensure that your boss or your client meets the appointment and all of that. And you can search for a virtual assistant job across. Now, here is what we'll do. I'll be listing 4 skills that you can take, but please try and choose just one. Choose just one that resonates well with you. Then you search for it and start applying for it across all the 4 platforms that I have shared. The first one we are looking at here is a virtual assistant. So if you want to search for jobs on Flex Job, you come to where it says filters and you filter, and you please unclick this anywhere in the US. You understand? So it will just be the job that is available for world, like worldwide job. Then you choose virtual assistant and you click on search. Once you click on search, you get a whole lot of virtual assistants. And if you're still searching and you're still seeing US, you can unclick US. So once you unclick US, you'll be getting virtual assistant jobs all over the world that is not US. Please ensure that you search for these jobs across the 4 websites that I've shared with you. You can search for it across Remote for You, across Flex Job, across Indeed.com, across LinkedIn. You understand? So this is Indeed. We search for virtual assistant here as well. Virtual assistant. So these are virtual assistant jobs in Ibadan. These ones are even associated with, locations. So if you're anywhere around Nigeria and you want to apply, you can use Indeed to apply. And Indeed also has a good recommendation, like a good Indeed has a good profile setting where you can upload your CV, which is also common to LinkedIn. You understand? You can upload your CV while signing up, and then it will be easier for you to apply for jobs easily. Now, the next one we are going to be looking at . It's a social media manager, virtual assistant, social media manager, customer care, and which one? Virtual assistant. So the next one on our list is social media manager. Social media manager. It is one of the most looked for or sorted after skills or jobs that you can go into. You get a lot of tons of companies looking to employ you. Now, social media manager, what they do is they handle social media accounts. You meet companies that want you to handle their accounts. You can apply for their jobs. Now all you need to do is to make sure that their Instagram they post regularly, the Telegram they post regularly, and that is all. You can search across these 4 platforms for social media manager. As you can see, this one even has a lot for social media manager. You have one in South Africa, you have in Nigeria, you have in South Africa, you have remote South Africa, remote Nigeria, depending on the type of job that you want to apply for. So you can work as a social media manager. You don't even have any problem. The last one is the type that I know that is very, very easy. So please stick with me to the end while I show you the type. I'll just be using the 4 websites randomly to search for the skills that we are looking for. So if you're the type that is good with Instagram and other social media accounts, you can start a career as a social media manager and upskill your career using Google or any other means of learning. So the next one we'll be looking at is a digital marketer. Now, as a digital marketer, brands and company are looking for you to help them make their brand a very good brand. You can be a digital marketer, you can be a digital manager, anyone you want. You ensure that there is growth in their marketing strategy. You can choose different niche when it comes to digital marketing. You can choose different niche when it comes to digital marketing. Now, you can also go on Google to learn about digital marketing. You can use Google Garage to learn about digital marketing. That is the third one that we'll be looking at. Now, the last but not the least, as you can see, there are a lot of marketing jobs here: digital marketing manager, marketing analyst, as a digital advertisement sales manager. So as a digital marketer, you can actually apply for any of these jobs across the 4 platforms that we have shared. Now, the last but not the least is the customer service or customer experience or chat support, whichever way you call it, is one of the simplest. Yes, I can repeat myself again. It is one of the simplest jobs that you can start as a beginner. You can decide to actually work as a chat support or as a customer care rep. You understand? As a chat support, you'll be answering chat, maybe live chat or Instagram chat or WhatsApp chat. And this is one of the best jobs that you can actually look for, and it is easy to learn. You can go on website like upspot.com and learn as a beginner. You can go on Mindluster and learn customer experience or customer service as a beginner. So let's look for customer service representative here. Now, you have a lot of jobs when it comes to customer service representative, and there are limited people